Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology IQ. Today we are going to talk about respiration part 1. So let us start our quiz. Yeast cells produce ethanol in fermentation. Is this process affected by temperature? Explain your answer. The answer is yes. Rate of enzyme action affected by temperature. Distinguish between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen, and anaerobic respiration does not. Write a balanced equation to summarize aerobic respiration. One mole of glucose plus 6 molecules of oxygen, we get energy plus 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water. Where in the cell does first stage of respiration occur? Cytoplasm. Give 2 industrial uses of anaerobic respiration of yeast. Baking and brewing. What is the final product of the first stage of respiration under aerobic conditions? Pyruvic acid, which is also called pyruvate. Pyruvic acid is used for the second stage of respiration. Where does this second stage take place? Mitochondrion. If conditions in a human muscle cell become anaerobic, pyruvic acid is converted to another substance. Name this other substance. lactic acid. When lactic acid builds up in the blood, a person is in oxygen debt. This debt must eventually be paid. Suggest how the debt is paid. Through increased breathing, that is deeper or faster, or oxidation of lactic acid. What is the first stage process of respiration called? Glycolysis. In the first stage of respiration, there is a release of ATP as glucose is converted to another substance. Name this other substance. Pyruvic acid, or what we call pyruvate. To what is pyruvic acid converted under anaerobic conditions in yeast? Ethanol and carbon dioxide. Under aerobic conditions, pyruvic acid is converted to an acetyl group, and in the process, a smaller molecule is released. Name this molecule. Carbon dioxide. In respiration, acetyl coenzyme A enters a cycle of reactions. What name is given to this cycle? Krebs cycle. To what is pyruvic acid converted under anaerobic conditions in a human muscle cell? Lactic acid. Is oxygen required for the first stage of respiration? No. To what might pyruvic acid be converted in the absence of oxygen? Lactic acid or ethanol plus carbon dioxide? Where in the cell does Krebs cycle take place? Mitochondrion. What is the cytosol? Cytoplasm minus organelles, or liquid part of cytoplasm. What is fermentation? Anaerobic respiration, or respiration that produces lactic acid or ethanol and carbon dioxide. Is oxygen required for the second stage of aerobic respiration? Yes. Suggest a situation in which some cells in the human body may not be able to engage in the second stage of anaerobic respiration. When it lacks oxygen, or during strenuous exercise, or during restricted blood supply. What term is used to describe respiration in which only stage 1 occurs? Anaerobic or fermentation. Name an organism that is used in industrial fermentation. Yeast. Thank you very much, my friend, for attending to Biology IQ. Today we have been looking at Respiration Part 1. Let us meet in another Biology IQ series. We shall be looking at Respiration Part 2. My name's Mugabi Joshua. For now, Goodbye.